Today, people use both cash and digital payments like Paytm. Many beginners wonder which is safer and better to use. Let's understand this in a simple way. What is cash? Cash means physical money, such as notes, coins. You pay directly using money in your hand. What is Paytm? Paytm is a digital app that allows you to send money, receive money, and pay bills. You can use your bank account or UPI to make payments. Now we will see safety comparison. First, safety of cash. Advantages. Cash does not need an internet connection. Cash does not have technical issues like app errors or network problems. Problems. Cash can be lost and cash can be stolen. If money is gone, there is usually no proof. Recovering lost cash is very difficult. Real life example. Ravi loses his wallet containing 2000 rupees. The money is gone. The money cannot be recovered. This is one of the biggest risks of using cash. Second one, safety of Paytm. What is UPI PIN? UPI PIN is a secret number used to approve payments. Advantages. Protected by UPI PIN and OTP, requires your approval for payments, transactions are recorded, your money stays in the bank, not inside the phone. These features make digital payments more secure. Real life example. Priya loses her phone. Nobody can send money without her UPI PIN. Her money remains safe in the bank. Losing phone does not automatically mean losing money. Now we will see convenience comparison. In case of cash, you need to carry money. You may need exact change. Cash is not useful for online payments. In case of Paytm, you can pay anytime using your phone. No need for change. Works for both online and offline payments. This makes payments easier in many situations. Real life example. Imagine you are at a shop. With cash, the shopkeeper may not have change. With Paytm, you can pay the exact amount instantly. The payment becomes quick and simple. Now we will see speed comparison. Cash can be slow in busy places. Counting money takes time. Paytm payment is instant. Simply scan and pay. This helps reduce waiting time. Tracking and history. In case of cash, no record of payments. Spending is difficult to track. In case of Paytm, every payment is recorded. Paytm history is easy to check. This helps you to understand where your money is going. When cash is better. Cash is useful when no internet is available. Small local transactions are common. Digital payments are not accepted. In these situations, cash can still be helpful. When Paytm is better. Paytm is better when paying bills, shopping online, avoiding cash handling, tracking expenses. These activities become easier with digital payments. Here you can see the simple comparison table based on whatever we have discussed. Now we will see the summary. Cash is simple but can be lost easily. Paytm is secure, fast and easy to track. Paytm is better for most modern payments. Cash is still useful in some situations. Both have advantages, but digital payments are becoming more popular because of convenience and security.